Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling. Bling bling.
Bling line, hello.
Top of the afternoon, ma'am. My name is Zuko Sisa Loyiso, half of Sibling Travelry. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Are you going to ask me who I am? I still don't know how.
I'm speaking to Talita Ndima from Sibling Travelry.
Yes. Yeah.
Fantastic. Just the person I was looking for. Hi, Talita. I'd like to go through some comments with you.
Lovely things. Welcome back, guys.
Bling line.
Yeah.
Winter edition. Guys, I've been sick for 3 weeks, but yeah, we'll talk about that on another episode somewhere. This is not the time nor the place because this place is for you. This is where we read out all your comments, or some of your comments. This is the place where we read out some of your comments and then we respond to them in real time. I think we can jump straight into it if there's nothing else you want to talk about.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's get it started.
Yeah,
Neba says, my family has been in this exact situation. I can without a doubt tell you, Namhlanje, that Zuka's dance is the only option from jump. Ubiza amapolisa, then uphole phansi kweqa. Addiction izolungiswa mabani.
Hey.
That's
So what are we talking about here? We were talking about
the right thing to do
when a family member is going through a tough time. Because I don't want to call it whiling. Guys, I don't think bakhona abantu abafuna utya drugs. This is my chat.
awuziqalelani kodwa ufuna uzitya.
Wawuziqalela effects.
Effects?
The effects that it has on you. But when uphume ku state of mind okuso right now, ube kwesinye state of mind.
So awufuna uyenza
But wawungafuni drugs, you wanted the feeling.
that came with the drug.
Yes. Now, iyakongamela la feeling. I don't think nangam. It's just that the human mind is something that we'll never understand. But
But you know what the thing is though? I hear what you're saying, right? Nobody wants to be a drug addict, essentially.
correct.
Yeah. But you know what drugs can possibly do to you. Make you an addict.
Or not. 50-50. Fanele kukho abantu asasitshaya nabo intsango thina esikolweni.
Guys,
Ansayitshaya into. Evalindi ampur 40 ngoku. Hayi ke esathi khondixolele. You understand? Who continued? Sayeka thina. You understand? Now ke bona if ke umangontsangwini or whatever the case may be, sayeka thina singabanye, a lot of us sayeka. So we didn't turn out to be addicts. They did.
So basically, what you're saying is that we're closer to 50-50. It's like a luck of the draw. Because you don't know.
It dies.
Yeah, because you don't know if you're going to be addicted to drugs. But like, you can't say it's ango, bruh.
I tell it. No. No.
Okay, fine. So if it's 50-50, right?
I don't know what the real stat is.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
But you know that there are chances that you could be addicted.
Yeah. Just like there are chances that I could die when I walk out my house. Just like there are chances that I could die if I go to sleep. Just, everything, chance.
Yeah, for sure, right? But there are other things that you don't have to do.
Yeah.
Like take drugs.
Like walk out of your house.
No, you have to walk out of your house.
Jan,
No.
work from home. Uber Eats.
No.
Look.
You have to walk out of your house at some point, right? So
Yeah.
that's a chance that you are just you have to take.
Yes.
You don't have to take drugs.
Yeah, Talita, but you also don't have to suffer mentally with certain things. This is the whole thing.
Fine, let's move on. Otherwise, we're
Yeah,
not
and
gonna
then,
finish.
yeah, so but get a comment ibikanceba ibithetha nge-tough love.
Yeah.
Besito, how do you feel about that? But these are my police Paul and Clock. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I mean, I'm sure.
So if mhlawumbe ndingagaxeleka entweni and then like
Andizokubizela amapolice, I'm not dog.
serious?
Not the first or the second or the seventh time.
Uzawuthini onyamezela ndimane ndithengisa ii-frying pans sibe ifowuni sithini uthini umbulile Zuko hihi khawuyeke yini mntase. Really? Yeah, andakubizela amapolisa faster than you can say it's not me. Yo, Nangam, yo, I definitely would, bro.
I know, well away, we established this. One mistake.
Okay. I'm really interested to get deeper into that, but it's fine. We need to talk about this. I'm really interested into getting into the mind of someone who's a kuxolele kanye ku-enablisha. Hey, sizawulwa. Oh, it's fine. Let's move on to the next comment. Eyaka Ayandazwane 9789. Uti, I love Ubawo. Seems very in tune and comfortable with himself. Uyazithemba man. Ndiyazithemba and ndithemba nobawo. Nje I love him.
Can I just tell you something?
Sure.
We were on the phone the other day for long though, so he's away, right? And so we were on the phone for like 2 hours.
Upi.
Kondima, please.
You know what I did?
Somewhere.
I don't know. Away, I do love Bram.
No. It's not in Joburg.
Okay.
It's not in
Ngumntu osentsho ka-fly.
no place.
Fly nomsebenzi. Yeah.
So he was like, we were chatting for like 2 hours, right? Nice times, whatever. And in those 2 hours, he probably said, I love you, Bao. I love you, Puti, like at least 4 times.
Who said that?
He said that. Because
Uchobani,
you said that.
What? I don't understand. What is happening?
Exactly. Like, why is this so random? So we'll be chatting, yo, and then what yo, and that, okay. And then, I love you, Puti. So random. Now I'm like, oh, we've created a monster here.
Oh, no.
Yes. Okay, cool, man. There's lots of people who are picking up Bao, saying that they like him, which is great, I guess.
Ne?
Yeah.
Uyazi uthanda umuntu azakujikele. Ukwenze njani?
Kayisa Betty BN says, Talita, help me, please. I'm also 40.
I'm almost 40,
I'm almost
Anne. 40.
And I was never going to get there. And I just met Ikenya, Elena 68. There's no way.
You?
Sabu 70, if not almost 80.
Ah!
Where are we going with
68, 70, 80. That's like a 12-year gap.
What is he there for, if not a boyfriend?
Wow.
I'm sure now you Firstly, I love Jenjana. You can't use that word because that speaks to like a young man, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah,
correct.
Okay.
Second of all, makakuphi ID chomi kutheni ngo i-age yakhe makakuphi pass is 68 70 80.
Nah, bro.
What is he there for if not a boyfriend?
He's not your boyfriend.
Bro, man, he's
Wow,
yeah, serious. Ngumntu phone. Uphi lo mntu udibene naye?
This doesn't matter. What she's asking is, what is he?
He's a pensioner. No? Yana Builders Wednesdays. 20% off. Oh, Kanye, yazi andingomntu onje mna. I promise you, Talita writes the things that I need to say on the show to make it like spicy. This is not who I really am. He's definitely not a boyfriend. Ngumntu wakho.
Ngumntu wakho, sorry.
Ngumntu wakho.
Ngumntu wakho. He's your man. Yindoda yakho. He's not a boyfriend, bruh. That man is old. Sorry, but he is. He's too old to be a boyfriend, that's for sure.
And also bangayitsali le nto ye-talking stage yena ukhawuleze afake i-ring caca icala because Chum, I definitely not a boyfriend, sorry.
Sorry, Kanye. I didn't bengafuna ukuhleka but ke xolo ke. If you felt some tap away.
Lupa 912. I wish there was a VN option sana for comments. I wanna comment a lot. Cha kuningi. But I agree, Damzupela. Kule tough love. If bendizombambisa owasestratweni nawe zokubambisa, but it doesn't happen like that, Suks. Uzomosha namhlanje afike ngomso abe sweet, axolise azisole, uthambe. Ha! Akuphinde. Nakya. Yeah. Dog. This is the thing.
Yeah.
And I think now I understand, for me ukuthi I understand nami inhliziyo yami bayispana njani nami zawufuna uxolela, which is why mabazokuthatha abafaka ama boys bekwa by the time usweet awusekho lapha because donzakele
Oh, wild time.
donzakele mna. So it's a very, and I absolutely agree, and it's much easier said than done ukuthi afondini namfaka ejele lo muntu nambambisa.
Yeah.
It's much easier said than done. But I mean, at the end of the day, guys, what do we hold ourselves to? That's my thing. Still in standards. Because uzawuphela.
You know what? I think the standard is until udigwe fondini. Which is why there's no actual guideline. It's just like until you've had enough.
Until they do something so bad.
Yeah.
That you just like, i.e. maybe putting you in danger.
And those things are different for each one of us. Do you know what I mean?
It doesn't have to go there. That's my child. Doesn't have to go that far.
Thing, because now usejele. Oh my gosh, bro.
Ejele ka.
Oh,
you know?
prison is terrible.
Man, yeah, but I say you child, I say Yolanda Dala. You're John Monroe. No my 11. Funding yachinywa. Yachiwa. My lifting simbi, my bafunda.
That's always happened.
Ukalopa is more woke. Kalinywa njalo. Chele.
Nah, bro.
Would you rather go to jail or uhlale estratweni?
Uhlale estratweni easy.
What?
Freedom, bro.
Wow. Me, I'd go to jail any day, bro. Yeah, my showcase there, I get 3 meals a day.
At least you have estratweni, you can get out of that street situation. You can't get out of jail already.
What do you need to get out of jail for?
Because it sucks in there.
Okay, come on. Yeah. It's not that bad. And I'm just saying. Okay.
All right, let's move on, bro. I think this is the second half of the next one. Please go to the next one as well. Oh no, it's lost in the sauce. But it's the second half of one. Ngobile Charlie says, I call my boyfriend Budzinja because he owns pit bulls and he's 38. He's just accepted that name. No, why would he accept?
I like that. I like that. It's cute. It's personalized. It's one of those, you know what I mean? In that episode, I'd mentioned Ndoka Tape, and the friend of mine who was at Tape, when I met him, I got Tape. Yeah, and it's because Kwakuko, girlfriend, not a kenge. So stop it. Kwakuko, girlfriend, I can't be at Tape. So, and that became just like a name.
Yeah.
So, and there's Tanam Namanizan and Zigazi is personalized.
Okay.
I like them.
Yeah.
Koku zonke sabo sweetie, my love. Oh, boring. Koku bra. Now ngaske ibe into yan, benendo yam sweet and nice.
Okay.
Yeah, what? Pet name. Filanzani pet names.
Udrana. I love pet names. I think they're cute.
Is it?
I never really get them though. But
Apho uyithandayo uyibizwa.
ndiyabanika abantu mna.
Baby. Yamthanda baby. Yafana nomuntu othanda ubaby. Umthandi ne? Uthanda bani? Punky. Lala. Diye. Uthanda bani?
Dear, you better not
Okay.
with that dear.
Okay. Nana.
Kanjazi.
Nana wam.
That makes it sound like ulixhego when we Nana. Oh my gosh, Nori. I'll think about it. Can we just rewind, please?
Sure. I'm struggling with this name.
Pateka.
Pateka Bohobon. Pateka Bohobon. I'm so sorry. Sana, my husband, wants to be called Pooty. And I refused. I now call him Tataka Mimi now that we have a child.
Chomi.
Yeah.
That almost like removes all the romance from your relationship. This is how I feel. But I've never been in this situation.
I find it so
But
cute.
you.
Takabani. I find it cute. Very cute.
But this is the thing now. Before you were calling me something else, like Biza baby or whatever, ne? And that was speaking to us and our relationship.
Yeah.
Now you're calling me Makabani, which is now speaking to the relationship you have with this child. It's not speaking to us anymore.
The woman who gave birth to the most important person in my life. Come on.
I didn't
Fanny.
know somebody.
Yeah? Fanini wena ungachoose uhamba nangomso buyafuna. Mimi yena akazochoose uyanawo.
Hi, baby. Hi, Taka Mimi. Okay, sharp. I'm just saying, I wouldn't.
It takes something from you.
Yeah, I feel like it takes something from your relationship. Now you're not making it about just the two of you. Now you're making it about the triangle. I mean, and there's so many things in your life that will be about the triangle, but like we still have us.
Ne?
Yeah.
Hey. No, I get you. I just think it's so cute, man. I think it's very, very cute. But ndiyakuva nawe about ini lawe.
Okay, Taka Mimi, sharp. Oh, this is where the first one is. Oh, okay, fine. This was the beginning of the one I said was in half. Yours truly, 2711 says, "Hey Blings, I hope everyone is doing well. I know I am because my favorite podcast has dropped. Boo, 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 boo. On the conversation today, I cannot believe I had the same conversation with my partner a few months back and it ended exactly how this one ended. I was so frustrated at him when he made examples of our siblings or future kids being rebellious, and he stood on his word that he'll give them tough love,
Jayami.
meaning he'll chase them away if he has to until they come back to their senses.
Phuma yami ngo-reverse.
Come on, almost. Here we go. After that conversation, I was really hesitant about him because in my head, I was like, how do you even give up on people you claim to love?
Because I love them. Sorry.
But now you guys gave me a different perspective, and I guess trusting Tamzupela with morals and trying to do right, it did comfort me a little bit to hear he has the same sentiments as my partner and made me understand that it's not an evil heart, but tough love.
Where you inhliziyo emnyama oyini madoda.
Thank you guys for the beautiful episode. As always, y'all are amazing and inspire us in many ways than one. God bless you, Blings. Thanks, my darling. God bless you too.
Man. I can just imagine how tough of a conversation that must have been.
For sure. Because if we were dating and we were having a conversation for the first time, I'd be stressed.
Funding.
Hearing what you're saying. I'd be like, hi, boom, China. Our unborn children or whoever will be subjected to such.
Correct. Or if Jane Ngolez asithethe ngomntu ozawuba ne-problems of life, sithetha ngoba mna ndithi bantwana bethu bazobethwa. Ubusithi wena I cannot imagine anyone laying hands on my child.
No, good luck getting kids out of me.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%.
Of which, also nathi, to our fault, we never have these conversations.
No, for sure. No,
we
for
never.
sure.
And then we're going to act surprised one day.
Exactly.
When ufuna uyaye kunoti kona. sibe sihlala kuRonda iMarch eyivayo akhona yeah, understand.
Wild times. But sometimes you just need to hear other people's perspectives in order to understand umntu wakho lo uhleli naye apha endlini, because that's what has happened in this instance.
Correct. Yeah. And I like the part where she says, it helped me to understand that it's not just an evil heart. Nyani. And yeah, that's so interesting though. That sometimes nyani uyakwazi uva into ethethwa ngumntu wakho, someone close to you, and you're just like, but if ithethwa ngomnye umuntu, and you're just like, hey, enough. But also, I think when you heard from someone else, Isa with more of an explanation.
100%.
And that gives a better understanding, because sometimes nyani something for you that's a principle. Sometimes I struggle to articulate these principles. I'm just like, what? Like, and understand what do you mean? But ngahlambi every day. Do you know what I mean?
No, for sure.
And it can come across a certain way.
Yeah,
so.
for sure.
Oh man, it's really such a beautiful comment.
Yeah, glad we could help you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yours truly, 2711. Yeah, that's beautiful. Pumzile.k uti, with the drug example, if possible, please take time to listen to an episode on the Diary of a CEO, dopamine expert. Oh, Stephen Bartlett, one of my faves. They discuss briefly but effectively the science behind addiction. It's an amazing listen or watch. Love you guys. Aike. Over to ask.
Yeah, I picked this one because I thought it would just be helpful just generally to anybody who wants to have a bit of a better understanding of what addiction actually is, or, you know, maybe dealing with it or haven't dealt with it yet. But I think it's just an interesting subject.
Yeah, no, very interesting subject. And I mean, and I think I like the approach that it kind of is coming from a dopamine perspective. And I would imagine that we don't often link those things. We think addiction, Tina, is just drugs and alcohol and women and whatever, I understand? But there's a whole bunch of other things which constitute addiction. So yeah, definitely looking forward to giving that a bash. I'll definitely have a look at that. Hey, ndwana yam ndai up and nisha man, then got ndiyibukela religiously la chap.
And then
I don't know, man. I just got busy. Started my own podcast.
Uthi uMandi Fasi yilento besibiza ngeziduko Talitha. Kubi bathi mamgcina.
Mandlovu is my favorite one.
Hayi andiyamkele.
Hayi ayamkeleki.
Ayamkeleki cabanga ukuthi wasibadala for ubizwa baby. That's so true.
Oh no!
I'm not mad at that though. I'm not mad at ubizwa ngesiduko.
Mazami.
Full
time.
Well, I mean, toss it up a little bit, you know, put in a little bit of surprise me sometimes, but uba unbiza Ogandima. Which I've never heard before in my life. I'm warming up to it.
It's a red flag. Tena ngado wam. Tena one of my plans ba mawugcina phakandima.
I like that.
Fair.
Go kwandima, bro.
Fair.
I'm a man.
Oh man, it's got me thinking lendo yestuko yazi uba. It's something that I don't know, growing up I've always felt like but then now this is giving me that perspective of ukuthi nyani for but I guess it depends on ba ufuna ubizwa ntoni. If wena ufuna ubizwa baby umuntu kumele ngomamgcina then akusekho manje. You know what I mean? But bakhona abantu, for example, umuntu xa umthambisa umuntu wakho umbiza ngesiduko, which can be really cute, yes. Kodwa sibuthi mamgcina full time. Andiyambi ewe khawukho umthi no baby. Mntu wam njalo njalo. You understand? Mix.
Yeah, bro. A variety is a spice of life, bro.
No, absolutely.
I don't miss my mom's clean. Wire. No ways, bro. Please don't do that.
Yeah, no, for sure. So good luck with that, guy. Mamgcina. Imange Inkosi F. Uthi my new favorite animal. My new favorite animal, kuthiwa xa ehlekisana sana. Very cute to watch. Xa kulungelwa naye. Xa kulungelwa naye, hayi ndinethemba. Kusho ukuthi God is in the neighborhood. Huh? Men are not a thing kaloku. Akakabikho at that tip of the tongue. I love you, Madlami. No! Kaloku uthe wena uyakwazi ukuthi I love you now after one day.
Oh, you dissed me hard. Yeah, man. Yo. Everybody's got a chance. Wow, that's wild. No, I love you. I can't cook tip of the tongue at all, bro.
Serious? Smoker?
It's different, man.
It's different when it's serious.
It's different when it's serious. It's different. Like, I just, this is ngondweni.
You are? Oh, la love yaset ngondweni ke isakade. One thing I know about it is slow cooker. Watch no bana singer John Legend. I'm a slow cooker. Khona ingoma yakhe choyo. Funa kumamela John Legend uyeke no Mr Taylor for me. Uselavini ngoku. So yo iyabora. Guys, let's be honest. Serious love is boring. I call exciting. It's boring. But imagine long term. Short term. What do you think? Do you think I want to get married? No. It's so serious. Love is so boring up until it's not.
Yeah, for sure. And mnandi ngumntu we quick fast wanya. And so this is literally the first time where I'm chilling.
Yeah.
Or I'm just like, one day at a time, China, 1 week at a time. Akhona ndilekayo. Pholile nje.
Dileka ntoni ekuthandeni ibe I could be loving you for the rest of my life.
Andinazi butterfly. Yabona zinto.
Ezibhutisayo.
Ezibhutisayo. I don't have none of that, bro. Ndingumntu omdala, bro. NdinguMadlamini. Nje mane sithi ya.
Uthini wena? Awukuthiwa wento kandima.
Andizukwazi utsho bathini.
Okay, Shapa, it's fine. Okay. Miss Snowy 007
says, I am turning 36 next week and Oputi engingajola nabo are now in their 40s to 50s.
Sure.
Uti angihayize. Inokhayiza.
Ayikwazi nami.
Ay. Mhlanga jola sengiyothi uBhuti engihlekisana naye. Hayi.
Eka
boyfriend. Imagine at our big ages sizobizana ngoboy no girlfriend. Amahloni enginganawo being introduced as someone's girlfriend at this age. Everybody says scream. That's so funny.
Okay, so I will go with umuntu engihlekisana naye.
Yeah.
Okay, that's from a perspective of
uBhuti engihlekisana naye.
Oh, yo, no, ayinomuntu.
Sena ngomuntu.
Fair.
Yeah, fair.
Yeah, I like that. I like that, but shame, but mhlambi must remember kaloku guys abanye abantu basafuna uba ngama-boyfriend and abanye abantu basafuna uba ngama-girlfriend.
Funeka uve ngumuntu wakho uba ufuna uba yintoni yena kuwe. But let's say, so if I say mna I want to be your girlfriend and then when uthi mna ndifuna uba yi-boyfriend ndifuna uba yindoda yam.
Yeah.
Then that's the way we roll.
That can be done. You understand? Unless ke nam mhlambi ndinamasikizi ke because ukwi-40s sokuthi girlfriend abantu bazawuthini.
But you know what another thing is though, people are firstly not getting married and secondly marrying later in life.
Yeah.
Therefore, ayikhelekanga into yova umuntu omdala kuthiwa yi-boyfriend.
Yes,
right?
correct.
Because usually people would be married already. Uzaba ngutata kabani, and whatever. So now this is kind of new territory we're treading on where sibadala but asna.
Yes, correct.
As not official anything binding us together. We're still dating in our 40s. When our parents were in our 40s, they were like fully fledged.
Bond.
They were fully fledged parents. They'd been married, like and now it's just like we're kind of playing.
Yeah, very, very true. But yeah, I guess Kenyan to what we are saying. It's nice if we both have an understanding, which is we need to talk about it. La love iporai. I promise you, hey?
Yeah.
Because it's so much nicer when it just fits.
Yeah.
And then you come in and then she says, hey, boo face. Uyithande wena londo leyo. Do you know what I mean? And then, now, funeka umsithi ba, hey, angithandi ke le ba boyfriend. Now we need to talk about my self-image and how why I don't like being called a boyfriend.
Yeah.
It's tricky. But yeah, it's nice in the end, guys. At the end of the day, it's put in the hard work, say early, and then it's a smoother roads for ahead. So definitely, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Thank you, Miss Snowy. Noguthula Makatini Uti. I'm not sure if you guys have ever watched a movie called Me Before You. I think it shows a perfect example of the whole euthanasia thing. This guy was such an active outdoor person before he had an accident that turned him into a paraplegic. To be completely dependent on caretakers to do everything for him, from bathing, dressing him, and all that jazz. So I can definitely understand why someone in that situation would want to end their life. They are no longer themselves. Yeah, tricky. But yeah, you want to end your life so that we can't be ourselves to you. See, this is the whole thing. Thina siyafuna ukwenza lonto leyo. Siyafuna ukuvasa. Siyafuna ukukhathalela. Because also maybe you've been taking care of us.
Andifuna uvaswa mna.
Yo, but kaloku imeko yakho ithi vaswa. Okay? But imeko yakho ithi vaswa though.
Yeah,
and I'm happy to do it.
I don't want that to happen to me. Andifuni.
Well,
But this is the thing. Now it's my will versus your will about my life.
But why when ungafuna uvaswa?
Aibo.
No, what do you mean?
Because I feel useless and I feel...
No, but you're not useless. How? You had an accident.
I am useless though.
Talita,
as a result of the accident, I've become useless.
No, you've become full of pride. Like, why can't you let me take care of you? That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Let me take care of you.
No, nendo zakho funeka uzenzile.
It's fine. You are one of them.
Oh,
When would you take care of me? Why you think into zakho that you have to? This is the exact chat. Would you take care of me?
Of course. But if you come to a point where you don't want to be taken care of, I understand.
Boy.
It's your life also. You're in the difficult position here.
So you'd be more than happy to get rid of me? No. Because I've made that decision.
More than happy.
Correct.
No.
You're not even trying to convince me, but I'm Zupela. Come on, boy.
No. It's your life. You know what you want with your life.
Yes, but I could be clouded.
By
the
situation. Well, fair enough. Yes. What else is going to cloud you?
My dog, me, I wouldn't allow you, Cho. I'm not allow.
Okay, next.
Yo, that's such a difficult one.
I know.
But also, I think here's another homework. Me Before You.
What do you mean?
Was the name of the thing that they said we must watch.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, she said we must watch something called Me Before You.
Yes.
You know what? Now, very often, I'm more interested in the finer detail in terms of why.
Mm.
Then what does it become? Does it become a pride issue? Does it become a... Do you know what I mean?
Into feeling like a burden. And you can't talk someone out of feeling like a burden.
You can act them out of it, but they must be also willing to accept that. But you're not. So lendo uyifilayo ayonyani, but if lendo uyifilayo it's not factual. Zupela. I love that. Not everything that you feel. Especially when you...
But it feels real to me.
For sure.
Exactly.
But it doesn't make it real.
Yeah, but this is the thing. If it feels real, it's real to me. Do you know what I mean? It might not be real, but if it feels real to me, it's my reality.
But it's...
Whether it's a fact or not, is it doesn't matter because it's how I feel.
Yes, but so now what? Now you feel... Now you feel like whatever. You feel like a chocolate. Or like, I don't know what to say. Like, now you feel something else and now it's okay. Whatever you feel like.
Whatever I feel like is real to me. That's all I'm
Sure.
saying. I'm not saying it's okay. I'm just saying, but I'm experiencing it in a real manner.
Correct.
Whether you say that no, ayinjalwanga or not, doesn't make me feel less.
100%. But now, what do we do then at the end of that? Ne? At the end of this is how you feel, but it's not a fact. You just feel like that. What do we do at the end of that? We let you make decisions based on how you feel, even though it's not real. Can't. Because you can feel so many things. And sharp.
I feel like I'm suffering, dog. I feel like I'm suffering. Am I suffering? Yes. Goku. Andifuni ukuhlanjwa nini man?
This is such a tough subject, actually. A tough subject.
I know. Let's move on. Skulu says, Mna, the man friend.
Hi, school.
And he say, your boyfriend. Ndingubhuti ohambisanayo ngoku. Oh, nanku ke lo bhuti ndihambisana naye.
Wow. Oh, ndihambisana naye ku-walk of life. Oh, that's cool.
I feel like school is enough also. We don't need all these other titles. I can go school chance.
Wena mina ukuthi nje ungusikhulu cha.
Yeah, school wam.
Yeah, isikhulu sami lesi. Just school sami. Oh wow. I love that.
Let's check the next one.
Lerato Makatini, uti, I agree with Talita on this one. There really is no black and white when it comes to suffering and pain. Oh, just like 2 comments ago. Having witnessed people close to me endure chronic illnesses, I understand why some might choose assisted dying. Oh, Sana, I feel like Lerato was listening to our conversation. At a certain point, the suffering becomes more than just physical. It takes a deep psychological toll. You're no longer yourself, but a shadow of who you once were. It's not an easy decision, but in some cases, it can feel like the most compassionate option.
I think compassion is the word, the takeaway word there as well. Just to have compassion to what the other person is going through. Yes, you don't want them to go away. Yes, you don't think that they're a burden. Yes, but yeah, now is suffering psychologically.
Uzwelo.
Suffering. Yeah, uzwelo ba yo I'm funny. You obviously you're having a bad time here, man. And I get that you're having a bad time. I don't want you to die, but I get that you're having a bad time and you feel like the bad time is not worth it.
Ash, I think I know where or why I'm struggling with this. It's because a lot of things for me, because ndithanda ukucinga logically, it's be quantifiable. Once into ngabikho quantifiable ke ngoku I think tiba glitch. Once ngabikho quantifiable.
And the psychological toll, I
quantifiable. That's the thing. That's what I'm realizing now. Once I'm thinking and reading through this comment, I'm just like, no, man, ndifuna quantify. And ezinye izinto, you can't quantify them. More especially on someone else's behalf. Whoa! Compassion, you see, like this is the next place where I'll go.
No, you need to stop with the quantifying of human emotion.
But and I see more in you, God,
But that's me though. I'm living inside my head.
But you can be so much greater and more.
And I hear you, but that's not my reality.
Wow, this is sad.
A little bit.
Yo, I said a little bit. Thank you, Little Mac, for that. Whoa. Yeah, it's a lot to process and think about.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think this just like it speaks to me in terms of my understanding again. And yeah, thank you for that comment. It's really food for thought. Yeah, let's go to the next one. If there is, maybe there isn't. So we're looking at a screen. So we're looking at a screen, and then there's this Chris Mane comments, and man is chica. So hey, it's a long story, wait. But that's all. That was the last comment. Long and short of it.
Thanks so much, guys, for your comments. Nani think pieces for real. I love the fact that people actually think really hard about these things and pen them in ways that are firstly just legible and understandable as well.
Yeah.
Which is really cool. Like funding
and also thank you guys for like applying yourselves to comments. Like I think, or maybe it's the things that I watch. I never see comments where people like apply themselves. This is my personal experience, and they go through something in a manner which you as the person reading can understand it. So thank you so much, guys. You guys do that very well. Ni articulate in so much. You understand? It's really, really cool how we get to also, and I love the fact that we get to benefit. I think as much as you guys get to benefit from us and you give us that feedback, we definitely get to benefit from you guys. So
thank you. We appreciate it so much.
Yeah.
Ningadinwa ke nangomso, and we'll be reading your guys' comments in the next episode for sure. And if you missed the last episode of Bling Line, there's a nugget in there speaking about when we will be having a live.
Hey, we have a T-bone.
No, I'm just saying. We didn't know. So we've set a date and a time for a live soon. And so it's in the previous episode, episode 5 or 6?
75, 76.
It is the Bling Line episode.
Oh, Bling Line 6, 7.
Episode 6. Episode 6. So if you want to know and you're interested in joining us for a live, go back there and find it. And we'll see you then. We can't wait.
You know what it is, Sibling Rivalry. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you on the next episode.
And don't forget,
love each other.
Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.